am Lane. For today's video, I'm gonna perform two core stability exercises, which is the plank and the bird dog. So before we fully dive to our activity, we have to do some stretching to prepare and set our body as well as our joints to decrease the risk of fracture as well as injury while doing the activity. So let's start from head to toe. The first exercise that we have to perform is the bird dog.
In doing the bird dog, you have to begin on your hands and knees with a neutral spine and tight core. In one movement, lift your arm bent to 90 degrees at the elbow and your leg off the ground. When your arm and leg are parallel to the ground, hold the position for 5 seconds, keeping your core and glutes strong. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Do this in 10 repetitions, 5 each side.
The next exercise is the plank.
In doing the plank, begin on the floor supporting your weight on your elbows, which should be directly under your shoulders. Extend your legs straight out behind you as you press into your heels. Tighten your core and keep your back straight. Hold this position for 20 seconds. If this is too challenging to do with your knees elevated, you can drop your knees to the floor and hold on for that position, being sure to keep your core engaged.
So after the strenuous exercises, we have to do the cool down to allow physiological activity to return to its normal. Shake your body and start doing the inhale and exhale cool down. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Choo!